Normally, you can use Apple ID password, screen passcode, and iTunes to factory reset your iPhone. This video shows different ways to factory reset your iPhone. Method 1. Restore iPhone without passcode via iTunes. Step 1. Run iTunes on your computer, and plug your iPhone into it. Step 2. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 and later, quickly press volume up, press volume down, long press the side button, and release it when you see the Apple logo. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold the power button and the volume down button. Once the Apple logo shows, release them. iPhone 6 and earlier, hold the power and home buttons for a while, and release them until it successfully enters the recovery mode. Step 3. Click the restore button on the prompt. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone with Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is a great helper to erase your iPhone without passcode, iTunes, or Apple ID password. Moreover, you could take advantage of this unlocking tool to remove Apple ID without losing data. Although no passcode, Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker helps turn off screen time and bypass device management in a few clicks. Step 1. Open Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Use a USB cable to plug your iPhone into the PC, and select the Unlock iOS screen section on the main screen. Then, click the Start button. Step 2. Choose the guide matching your iPhone model, and follow it to put your device into DFU mode manually. Or, you could click the bottom link to see how to enter recovery mode instead. When you succeed, hit the right arrow to get into the next step. Step 3. When your iPhone is recognized, check the information shown on the screen, hit the download button to get it downloaded and verified. Step 4. Click the unlock button to start erasing your iPhone as well as the screen passcode. Once you see the done button, your iPhone is successfully factory reset without using passcode and iTunes. Method 3. Hard reset iPhone using Joyoshare UltFix. Step 1. Download and open Joyoshare UltFix on your computer, and connect your iPhone. Step 2. Select Reset Device and choose Factory Reset. Step 3. Hit the download button to download the corresponding firmware package. Step 4. Click Start Factory Reset, and your iPhone will restart after a while. Method 4. Erase iPhone on the lock screen. Step 1. Constantly enter incorrect screen passcodes until the Erase iPhone option shows up. Step 2. Tap Erase iPhone and enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Step 3. The Apple logo will appear, and your iPhone is successfully erased. Method 5. Erase iPhone using iCloud. Step 1. Visit the iCloud page on a browser and log into your Apple ID. Type in the received verification code if prompt. Step 2. When succeed login, click on your Apple ID, and select the Find Devices section. Step 3. Choose your iPhone from the All Devices list. Step 4. Hit the Erase iPhone option and complete the subsequent operations. Method 6. Erase iPhone through Find My App. Run the Find My App on the other device. Tap Devices. Choose your iPhone. Locate the Erase This Device option, and type in your password to hard reset your iPhone. This is the end of this video. If it is helpful for you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.